Let me guess. You love a polished final product. You want great shots, you want slick editing, but somehow we never finish the video. It doesn't get published. They're just sitting on your hard drive. Yeah, it's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. Listen, if you are a producer type, you're probably stuck in thinking about all the ways you can make this video that you end up doing the most, honestly. You get overwhelmed by the visuals, the transitions, the camera angles, the lighting, the this, the that. Oh my gosh, it's so much. I get it. But meanwhile, you got all this footage for days, files for days. But then what happens? You don't post it because it's never done. Feel called out? If you're not sure what kind of creator you are, I want you to head over to Ecamm's creator quiz and then figure out what kind of creator type you are. Are you a producer? Are you a presenter? Are you a planner? And then you're going to come back here and you're going to let me know because I'm very nosy. So you have to tell me. Okay, producer, here's how you're going to break the cycle and actually start finishing videos. The first thing I want you to do is to film in the simplest way you can do, because I know you can do all the things, but do you really need to for this one? Just saying. Think about it, because what is the point of having 5 different angles if you don't actually ever finish the video? Speaking from experience. The next thing I want you to do is try making one-take videos. Give yourself permissions to record a video once and just use that. We don't have to keep doing it. And the last thing I want you to do is embrace live style filming. I want you to pretend like it's streaming. And this mindset helps you move forward faster because you can't stop if it's live. Everybody saw it already. You don't need to stop and make everything perfect. We can just continue creating. Now, let me tell you, as a producer myself, Ecamm is a dream because you can set up your videos in a live to tape format. You can set up your scenes, your overlays, your effects, your media, your microphones, your everything. You can set all of it up as you record. So the footage that you get is going to be so much closer to finish. You won't have to do so much in post-production. So you don't just end up with a bunch of files rotting on your desktop. The less you have to do in post-production, the more you can actually get things out to the internet, you know? But I want to be clear, you are not behind. You have all of these files, that is okay. You're stuck in draft mode, but you know what you're doing. Your eye is your gift. So just plan for it a little ahead of time. And then you press record. And then it's almost there, and it doesn't need to be perfect. You can take a little messy action and let that be enough. It's honestly, so many files, so many videos that never see the light of day. But we don't have to be like that anymore, right? Right.